Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello friends, welcome to the channel DevDBQA. In today's video we will see how we can navigate using the Selenium WebDriver. So how we can navigate in the browser using the Selenium WebDriver and the Java code. So in today's video we will navigate back, we will navigate forward, and we will navigate to some URL from the browser, right? So guys, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get regular updates. And if you have not seen my previous videos in which I have shown how to invoke Chrome browser and Firefox browser using the Selenium WebDriver, so guys, I will give the link in the description. So guys, please go and watch these videos first. After that you can continue with this video. So let's start with our today's video. So first of all, for today's video, let us make a new class in which we will write our code for today's video. So let us right click on the project, new, and then we will select class. So let us name today's class as class 4, right? So and we will select this option for public static void main. So it will create main function inside the class that we have created. So this is the class is created and the main function is already present. So guys, in today's video, as you know, we will see how we can navigate in browser, means how we can go back to the previous page and how we can go forward to the next page, and how we can navigate to some other URL from the browser using the Selenium WebDriver and Java code. So in today's video we will use the Chrome browser. So let me quickly copy the code for invoking the Chrome browser from previous videos so that the time is not wasted and we will focus on our today's topic. So this will set property to the Chrome driver, and then the Chrome driver will be invoked and the website facebook.com will be opened on that browser. So this is the first steps that we have to follow. Now we have to navigate to some other URL from the facebook.com URL. So for that we will write, there is a function is in driver class, that is driver dot. When we write driver dot, these suggestions will be displayed. So we have to write driver dot navigate. So the navigate function will appear automatically and we will double click on it. Now we have to navigate to some URL. So we write driver dot navigate dot to function. So we will use the to function to navigate to some URL. So in the arguments we will write the URL on which we have to navigate. For example, here we write gmail.com. So from facebook.com it will navigate to gmail.com, right? So using the function driver.navigate.to, we can navigate to some URL from the previous URL. So let us write the comment here for navigation to another URL, right? So to verify that we are on some other URL, what we can do, we can verify the title of that URL. So we can verify the title of the Gmail page. So for that, first of all we will verify the title of Facebook page. After that we will verify the title of Gmail page. So to verify the title, what we have to write, system.out.println, and inside we have to write title is, and we will concatenate driver.get title function, right? So this will return the title of that page and it will print on the console. So similarly, we will copy this line and write it after the navigation to gmail.com URL. So first it will navigate to Facebook and then print the title, and from that it will navigate to Gmail and then print the title of Gmail page, right? So let us save it and run it, and let us see if it behaves properly or not. So now the logs are starting generated in the console, and as you can see, the Chrome browser is getting invoked, and you can see the URL is facebook.com, right? So once it is completely loaded, then it will navigate to gmail.com. It is taking time for loading, that's why it is stuck on this page. Once it is loaded completely, it will navigate to gmail.com. So as you can see, it again started loading and the gmail.com page is being loaded. So our function navigate to is working fine. Now we will see the console output. So first it has printed title is Facebook, and after that it has printed title is Gmail. So we have successfully navigated to other URL from the Facebook URL, right? So now the next task is we have to navigate back to the Facebook URL. For that, there is a function in driver class, driver.navigate dot. So we have to go back. So right, so back is the function by which we can go back to the previous page, driver.navigate.back. So once the initially it was on Facebook, then it navigated to Gmail. Now using this line of code, it will navigate back to the facebook.com URL. So we will again verify the title of that page. So we will copy and paste it here so that we can get the title of the page on which we were navigated back, right? So in the previous run there are two titles, one was Facebook and after that Gmail. So now if we run this program again, so we will get three title here, Facebook, Gmail and again Facebook, right? So let us save it and once run it to see if it is behaving properly or not. So the Chrome browser is invoked and first it will load the facebook.com. Once the Facebook is loaded completely, then it will go to gmail.com and again it will come back to the facebook.com URL, right? So as you can see, Facebook is being loaded. Once it is loaded completely, then it will go to gmail.com. It is taking some time. So once it is completely loaded, so now as you can see, it is going to gmail.com and the title of the page is Gmail. Now once it is loaded completely, then it will navigate back to facebook.com. So as you can see, again the facebook.com website is being loaded, right? So our code is working fine. So now let us see the console. So as you can see, first the title is printed is facebook.com, next is Gmail title is printed, and after that again Facebook login or sign up title is printed. So using this function, this line of code, we can navigate back to the previous URL, right? So there is one more function by which we can navigate to the forward, we can forward our control to the URL that we have visited, right? So that code is driver dot, we have to write navigate dot, and now we have to move forward, right? So for moving forward, the code is driver dot navigate dot forward. So it will take the control to the previous page that we have visited and it will click the forward button on the browser, right? So this is the code by which we can move our control to the page that we have visited. So now we will verify the title of that page. So the title should be Gmail. So first it will go to Facebook and then print the title. After that it will visit Gmail and then print the title. And after that it will navigate back to the Facebook website and then it will navigate to, then we will press the forward button, so it will navigate to gmail.com and then print the title, right? So once we save it and let us run it and see what happens. So now as you can see, the Chrome browser logs are there and Chrome browser is being loaded, and the URL is facebook.com is being loaded. Once it is completely loaded, it will go to gmail.com. It is taking time. So now as you can see, it is going to gmail.com, right? Once it is completely loaded, then it will navigate back to the facebook.com. So these are the buttons that we have automated using the Selenium WebDriver. We have successfully navigated to a URL using the Selenium WebDriver. Then we have successfully navigated back to the previous URL, and we have successfully navigated forward to our URL that we have visited. And guys, you can get the code of this video from this website. If you like the video, then please hit the like button. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get regular updates. If you have any suggestions, then please comment in the comment section. Thank you.